Honorable School Management, today's Chief Guest, Honorable Vice President, sir, all the respected dignitaries present on the dais, teachers, and my dear students. Today, as we all gathered here to celebrate National Science Day, we have actually thought of an innovative idea which highlights how science is related and deeply involved in our day-to-day life. So today, we thought of having the inauguration with the help of a prototype of bird, which is a symbolic representation of integration of science, technology, art and craft, and most importantly, artificial intelligence. As we all know, many current real-life applications such as aeroplanes, fighter jets, helicopters, and many more are inspired from natural living organisms. So without wasting much of the time, let's move towards today's inauguration of National Science Day.
Are cordially invited for the inauguration of our National Science Day celebration. We will be honored by your presence. Thank you!
Very inspiring and scientific morning to each and every person present over here. First of all, give a huge round of applause for this wonderful inauguration of National Science Day. Honorable Chief Guest, our Vice President Sir, Principal, Vice Principals, Heads, dear teachers, parents, and my curious students. Every year on 28th of February, India celebrates National Science Day to commemorate the remarkable discovery of the Raman effect by Sir C.V. Raman, a discovery that brought global recognition to Indian science. Today we all have gathered here with enthusiasm to celebrate the spirit of scientific inquiry, research and innovation. The theme for National Science Day 2026 is Women in Science Catalyzing Viksit Bharat. This theme is both timely and transformative, dear students. A truly developed India, a Viksit Bharat, cannot be realized without the equal participation, leadership and brilliance of women in science and technology. Across the globe and within our own nation, women scientists are leading space missions, advancing artificial intelligence, pioneering climate research, and revolutionizing healthcare. From India's Chandrayaan and Aditya L1 missions to breakthroughs in green hydrogen technology, quantum computing, and gene therapy, science is shaping a future filled with possibilities. And women are at the forefront of this transformation. Science does not recognize gender. It recognizes curiosity, competence, and commitment. When we empower our girls to step confidently into laboratories and research centers, we accelerate national progress. When boys and girls learn, innovate, and discover together, we strengthen the foundation of a progressive and inclusive India. As educators, dear teachers, it is our sacred responsibility to nurture scientific temper, the courage to question, the discipline to experiment, and the resilience to persevere. On this proud occasion, I would like to acknowledge the exceptional achievements of our brilliant students. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to our students and teachers who represented our school at the prestigious CBSE National Level Science Exhibition and for receiving recommendation for Inspire Award. Competing at such a distinguished platform reflects their scientific insight, dedication and innovative thinking. Dear students, you have truly made our institution proud. I also proudly appreciate our students and teachers who participated in the Eco Innovators Initiative and developed an innovative application promoting sustainable living and environmental responsibility. Their project focused on reducing pollution and encouraging eco-friendly practices to make our environment clean and healthier. Dear children, by applying scientific principles to real-world environmental challenges, our students have demonstrated that how young minds can become catalysts for sustainable change. Dear students, science is not confined to books, formulas and laboratories. It lives in ideas that protect our planet, improve lives and build nations. On this National Science Day, let us pledge to cultivate scientific temper, to encourage and support women in science, to innovate responsibly and to contribute actively building a sustainable and developed India, a true Viksit Bharat. The India of tomorrow will rise not only through economic strength but through intellectual empowerment and equality. As I look at all of you today, I see future scientists, engineers, innovators, researchers, entrepreneurs and leaders ready to catalyze change. So dear children, let us celebrate science as a force that enlightens minds, empowers individuals and transforms nations. Happy National Science Day to all of you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. Thank you.
Good morning, Honorable Chief Guest, respected Administrator Ma'am, respected Principal Ma'am, all heads, teachers and my dear friends. National Science Day is celebrated every year on 28th February to remember the great achievement of our Indian scientist Sir C.V. Raman. National Science Day inspires young minds to become India's doctors, scientists and innovators who can contribute to the progress of our nation. Our country needs innovative ideas and creative creations which can build a better future. National Science Day inspires all of us and we should take a great advantage of it. At the end, I would like to say that science is not just knowledge, it is a key to the future. Thank you and have a wonderful Science Day ahead.
Good morning everyone. I'm the Kalpana Chawla, astronaut and aerospace scientist. I'm the first woman of Indian origin in space. I worked on space shuttle missions and contributed to space research. Inspired millions of students in India to pursue science and engineering. Thank you. I am Gagandeep Kam, a medical scientist. I contributed in leading experts in vaccine and infectious disease. My major work on rotavirus vaccine for children and the first Indian woman elected fellow of the Royal Society at London. Thank you. I am Janki Alam. I am famous botanist and psychologist. Improved sugarcane variety in India. I worked on plant genetics and biodiversity conservation. Thank you. Good morning everyone. I am Ritu Karidhan, ISRO scientist. I am known as the Rocket Woman of India. Played a major role in Mars Orbiter mission, Mangalyaan and Chandrayaan missions. I also helped India achieve success in low-cost space missions. Thank you. I am Seema Chatterjee, chemist. I research on medicinal plants, develop drugs for malaria and epilepsy. I am the first woman to receive the Doctorate of Science, DSc. Thank you. I am Daisy Thomas, missile scientist. I am known as the Missile Woman of India. Played a key role in the development of Agni missile projects in India. Strengthened Indian defense technology. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Abracadabra, gilly gilly choo.
Magic and magic right in front of you.
People think magic is supernatural, something impossible, something mysterious.
But you may feel surprised. Behind every magic trick you see today, there is a mystery which will be revealed.
So, are you ready to see the magic?
Magic needs practice and I need confidence. So please clap.
Here is our first magic balloon that doesn't burst. Jadoo, jadoo, jadoo. I'm going to burst the balloon. Burst. Now what about the second one? Abracadabra, gilly gilly choo. See, it didn't burst. This is the black magic. Hey friends, did you see that? It's not a magic. It's all about scientific logic. Hocus pocus, let's focus. Here, this balloon is filled only with air. As we will bring it near the flame, the balloon gets heated quickly. The air inside expands due to heat. The pressure increases. The rubber becomes weak and puffs. This balloon is filled with water. It doesn't puff because water absorbs heat much more faster than air. It prevents the rubber of the balloon from heating quickly. So rubber does not become weak. Therefore, balloon does not burst easily. Want to see one more? Let's move towards the next one. Dancing souls. Now, here's the second magic. Let's watch it. This is a glass filled with the water and resin seeds. And here is all soul trapped in bottle. Om Bhagni Bhagodari Om Bhat Swaha. See, the souls are dancing with the seed. Oh my God, souls are dancing! Souls are dancing! Wait, dear friend, no souls and seeds are dancing. Again, it's not a magic, it's all about logic. Here, soda water contains carbon dioxide gas. Gas bubbles stick to the rough surface of the resins. When bubbles stick, they make the resins lighter, so it rises. At the top, bubbles burst and the resins become heavy again. This continues and the seeds are going up and down. Did you get, my friends? Yes!
We have here a colorful magic. Now I will show you a magical liquid. It has no color, but it changes its color instantly.
Watch carefully. No editing, no hiding, only magic.
Abracadabra. Chemistry का कैमरा color change हो जा जरा. Wow! Did you see that? The color change in a second.
This is not magic. This is the power of acid-base chemistry.
Color change occurs because the molecular structure changes. Different light absorption and different colors seen.
See, the color of this solution is that purple.
Abracadabra. Chemistry का कैमरा color change हो जा जरा.
We will add one another colorless solution to it. Observe the color changes. Purple, then dark blue, then green, faint brown, and again colorless. The color solution was of potassium permanganate. We added colorless solution of drain clog that contained sodium hydrochloride and sugar. Reduction of potassium permanganate occurs, hence it becomes colorless.
Let's move towards the last show. Bursting foam.
Let's see what happens here. Vinegar reacts with carbonate in toothpaste to produce carbon dioxide gas which gets trapped by soap to form bursting foam. This is not a volcano. It is chemistry releasing invisible gas faster than you can see. Remember, the real magic is not in my hand. It is in your brain. So, dear friends, on this National Science Day, let us promise to question more, to explore more, to experiment more. Because the next great scientist may be sitting right here. Let us once again remember the great scientist C.V. Raman, whose curiosity brought glory to our nation. Keep your mind curious, your hearts fearless, and your experiments bold. Thank you, and let the magic of science continue. Happy National Science Day.
Good morning, Honorable School Management, our today's Chief Guest, Vice President Sir, President Ma'am, Administrator Ma'am, all the heads, teachers and dear students. First of all, I would like to congratulate the students of 5th to 7th who have presented these experiments in front of all of us. Give a huge round of applause for the students for making this Science Day very informative, curious and creative. It is really a great pleasure to see that students coming on the stage and performing the experiments, and we have seen that our students have participated already in the national and regional level exhibitions, and they have brought laurels to the school. Heartiest congratulations to all the teachers and the students for their achievements. Science is not in the textbooks, as it's already told. It is our way of life. The moment we get up in the morning till we go to the bed, science surrounds us all the time, whether we are in the school, whether we are at home. Each and every activity we do, it is related to science. Okay, so it is a part and parcel of our life, and we have to be thankful for getting this opportunity to perform these experiments and to experience science. And it all depends on only two things, that is questioning why and how. If you have this attitude of questioning each and every thing which you observe, you will definitely be a scientist in future. Always keep curious. Curiosity has to be there throughout your life, because science is an experiential learning, and you will learn it till the end of your life. So you have to be curious all the time, you have to be creative, you have to think critically, and it all depends on the observation skills of the students. So I request the teachers also to inculcate this observation skills among the students, and they have to analyze, and they have to experiment, and they have to come to a conclusion. So this all approach, scientific approach, is needed to become the future scientists of this great country. So I wish you all a very happy National Science Day once again, and thank you all for giving this opportunity. Thank you.